Hey guys, I just got this JLU at an auction, and this right here was all bent, so I went ahead and replaced it, and it was bent in like that. I barely got it home because it was tough to drive, of course, but I thought when I replaced that it would solve all my problems. But if you look, you see that tire is at an angle like that, and the tire is pretty, it's turned straight. This one's pretty lined up. Actually, it's a little weird. It shows the tires turned to the left a little bit. This one is turned exactly straight. So that's my alignment. That's no problem. But as far as the tire leaning like this, leaning in on the top, I don't know if you can see that. It's leaning in big time on the top. Yeah, you can see it now. And yeah, that fender's busted up, but if anybody's got one, I'd love that in the inner fender. But I'm trying to figure out what's bent. Is it bent because this is bent back that way? Or is this bent down too far? Or did something bend in here? I'm hoping there rather than this axle. Did the axle bend like this? It looks pretty straight to me. Looks straight as an arrow. I'm pretty sure they hit something pretty hard with the tire. Maybe the person that used to own this Jeep is on this site, but your help would be appreciated. Thanks a lot. Okay, it's time to use a Jeep for what a Jeep is made for. Hadn't even cleaned it up. Ain't got the writing off the windows. Did a little repair last night. Get that bar replaced. Drives a lot better, but this wheel's still bent in on the top. But getting ready to go into the woods. Well, I'm actually in the woods, but I'm getting ready to go to my stand. So, thanks for watching the videos. You guys have a great day. See ya. Okay, this is what I'm doing on a Friday night. Check this out. Boy, that looks sweet. I'm very happy with how this turned out. I did 3 coats of my base coat, and this is a factory color for my Jeep. I bought this black fender off of somebody in North Carolina because mine is wrecked, and so we're gonna put this fender on it. But boy, did that turn out great. Pulling it off slow just in case the paint bridged onto the tape. Very possible. Boom. Okay, buddy, you gonna help me today? Why don't you go get your ball? He's gone. Okay, I've got the old damaged fender off. The inner fender and outer fender. So everything looks good under here, no problems. This was a little bent. Straighten that back out a little bit. Good to go there. So here's the old fender. I've already taken the LED light out of it. And I've removed the incandescent light out of the new one. You see I got padding down so I don't ruin my paint, because I don't want that to get messed up. So here is the incandescent that comes on the Sport, and they look pretty cruddy when you turn the blinkers on or the running lights on. These are LED, so they light up here with a clear LED and or a white light or whatever, and then here is going to be an amber, along with this being amber on the side. Had a little teeny crack in the top where you can't see it at all. I've sealed that off, so looking forward to seeing this in there. These clips, I don't know a lot about this stuff, so these clips, I damaged the clip a little bit, but hopefully it'll stay together okay. Here's the old clip, and they took this one off properly. I think mine was stuck. I was trying to pull that red tab out, and it broke. So anyway, I'm going to put it back together just like it is, and we should see some progress in just a few minutes. Okay, here's the finished product on the fender and the bodywork, paint, all that good stuff. This is a fender off of a brand new Jeep. I used my original 2-year-old LED light here and side marker. Looks like a pretty good match to me. Now I got to extend the vinyl from here on out for the lightning, because I want it to match this over here. Got a little bit of work ahead of me on that one. Okay, I transferred the vinyl lightning from here to here. Had to section some pieces together because it was tearing, because it's such a narrow strip. And they went in a little different places than they were before, but I think they look fine. I don't think I need to do anything else. I think I'm done. There you go. She done. Okay, here's the finished product. There's my little paint work and the transfer of that vinyl. That's pretty good. We ended up having to replace a good bit of suspension under here, or Miller did for me. Mechanic I use. Replace this, I replaced that, I replaced that, he replaced this. The ball joints were actually bent, and the upper ball joint over here had actually wallowed out the hole from being hit so hard in the wheel. And of course that bumper, I replaced that. I bought that from a guy when I bought the fender off of a 2021 Sport. If you see the tire tread actually on the frame, so it bent the tire that far back. That was insane there. But anyway, It drives straight, smooth, even though it's got 35s on it. Doesn't have the death wobble anymore or anything like that it had when that knuckle was torn up. I had to swap my LED lights into that fender. This is what my daughter gave me for my birthday. Like that, nice little touch. Anyway, that's a wrap. I am gonna do some more things. I'm gonna swap that bumper out and the rear bumper and the tire rack, and I'm gonna put some, I want to find some step bars that mount to the frame rather than to the roll pan, because if I hit something, I don't want it to crush that roll pan. That's a lot of work to get fixed. So I'd rather have something that bolts directly to the frame so it has a little strength to it. Heck, I might have to make my own. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Well, here's a bunch of pictures of the kind of the process or the stages that it went through. Just kind of inventorying, you know, what it looked like and all. So you can just hang out and watch the pictures now. And also, while you're looking at these pictures, I can tell you that I've got a 2021 Toyota Tacoma that I'm getting ready to drop some videos of the progress on that one. That one was a bad total. It had the bent axle and all kinds of stuff. So can't wait to start dropping some of those videos, but I'll do that soon, I hope. And sorry I've been AWOL. I've just been so busy at work, and life has been busy. Christmas, you know, just doing different projects for the family. And anyway, I'm back on it now a little bit, and hope you like the videos. And like I said, come see that Tacoma in the next videos.